Oh man, I sure hope this works. Alright guys, it's 107 degrees outside and my fan is barely spinning. Let's come over here and check this out. It is cooling down. We are at 106 degrees now. It was 107. Whew. And it's 8 o'clock at night in St. George. Quite hot, but yeah, this fan is not spinning and it would not start on its own. I had to kickstart it. So, I think I need to check this. I think that my capacitor is bad. So let's go ahead and see if we can't get this fixed. So there were 4 screws on here. There was one down here, kind of like this. There was a screw on top and bottom. Let's just try and take this off. It comes right off, actually. Nice. Check this out. Uh-oh, just turned off. No, don't turn off. I think that's the issue though. So let's try and replace that. Let's snap a picture of this first. All right. There it is. It's supposed to be 70, it's 81 right now. Let's see if we can't get that fan to spin again. We're trying to get my AC to start. Every once in a while it makes a noise. And I want to say if I can kickstart it during that noise to see if it really is the compressor. I think it is. Next time it starts making a noise, I'm gonna bunt this and see if it's gonna work. Hear that? It's working. All good. Oh, nice. It's not spinning as fast as it normally does. Alright, well, better than nothing. Okay, so we took a picture of the capacitor, and the capacitor that we need is this GE capacitor 97F9898. I think this is the one that I would like to buy, but it doesn't get here till the 14th. So we have this Bojack one, which is a dual start. It can use the 370 volt or 440 volt, and it has a 10,000 AFC. I think that's your voltage. AFC stands for available fault current. So 10,000 should be fine. I thought that was the runtime, but I guess not. So we're just going to go with that. We're just going to buy this one and see how it works. Okay, see you on Saturday. Hey guys, we're back. So I've got a capacitor for our AC. Our AC unit quit working 2 days ago. It's 87 degrees in the house. It's 102 degrees outside of the house. And this capacitor right there is, I don't think it's working. The fan is not spinning. So we're going to take this apart. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the, I think this is the breaker to it, to the off position. Okay. Oh man, I sure hope this works. It's been really hot. Thankfully, we live in St. George and it's a dry heat, but it was 109 degrees when the AC went out day one. 106 degrees yesterday. It's only gonna go get up to 100 and, oh, I don't know. It's gonna be not quite as hot. So this capacitor, I think, is dead. We have our blue, our brown, and our yellow wire. I'm not sure you can see the capacitor's bulging over on that side. It's definitely broken. Oh man, not looking good. This one's not labeled at all, but on the top there is 2 prongs, 3 prongs, and then 4 prongs. And this one has the same thing. 2 prongs, 3 prongs, and well, it actually only has 1 prong, 3 prongs, and 4 prongs, but I'm gonna assume that's all kind of the same stuff. So let's just take that off. Let's put, so yellow went on the 4 prongs. Let's put that on. Are these all the same size? Well, let's hope so. Okay. Now we're going to take off the 3 prong one. That's going to be, I mean, this is I don't know if it's going to be the same colors for you. This one's labeled HERM. I'm going to stick it on there. And the 2-prong, the brown wire, it's labeled fan. So, let's put this back on. Here we go. Check this out. Can you see that bulge right there? Pretty nasty bulge on this one. So this was a very specific one that I purchased. This one was generic. And so I bought the generic one because it could get here in 2 days, and then the full replacement. Oh, this one's so small. It's way smaller than this other one. There's no way that's gonna hold it. So this one just might sit down here a little lower. This cap twisted entirely off. That's not good. Let's put this back on. Can you see that? This one also doesn't have a cap. What is going on here? Oh, that also fell off. Man, I guess I'm feeling a little rough. Okay, I mean the capacitor's back in, it's sitting there. Let's see if this turns on. Flip the breaker. We are on. Okay, I'm gonna go flip it on. You guys stay out here and let me know if this thing kicks on. Oh, well, you look at that. You'll love to see it. It's going. It's spinning like a champ. Not a problem. Well, let's give that a few minutes and I'll let you know if it works. Did it work?
Fixed it.
It's working. All right. Thanks for everything. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, keep a capacitor on hand. They're not that expensive, especially if you live in a hot climate. It'll save you a couple days of baking.